How to fix the start button is not working in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So first you will need to right click on the taskbar and open up the task manager. And then from here you want to search for Explorer or Windows Explorer process. Now once you find the Windows Explorer, you want to right click on it and then click on Restart to restart it. Now that should restart your Explorer. Now you need to check if the start button is working again. If it's not working, here is a second way to fix it. First you want to close this and then right click on your start button and then open up Terminal or Windows PowerShell or CMD as administrator. And then you will need to type the following command: sfc /scannow, and then hit enter and wait for this process to finish verifying your system files. Now once that scan verification is completed, you will need to restart your computer from here by clicking restart and then checking again if that fixes the start button issue. And if for some reason it still doesn't work for you, here's another way how to fix it. First you want to right click on the start button, open up the settings, and then go to update and security, Windows update, and make sure to check and download the latest updates. So maybe your Windows is outdated and that's why you have this issue. And the last solution to fix this problem is to perform a PC reset by opening the start menu and search for reset like this, and then click on reset this PC, and then click on restart now or get started for the reset PC. And then you can choose to keep your files and perform a light reset, or remove everything and perform a hard reset, which will basically reinstall Windows and remove everything from your personal files to any installed applications. And then you have to reinstall them manually, or you can choose the first option if you want to keep them. And you can follow along this process to perform a Windows reinstall. You can choose cloud download or local reinstall if you have Windows already. This will use the local Windows installation instead of downloading. So you can choose this option and then proceed to perform the reset. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.